Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, hey guys, welcome. Today I'm gonna make a video on type conversion. This is something very important. Suppose you want to convert LBS to kgs, means all the things. So I'm making a video on that so that you can understand and make more functions on it, and you can use it in your Python program. So let's start. So first we need to create a variable called weight LBS equal to int input, enter your weight. Enter your weight in LBS. So LBS, if they enter, then what we need to do? Weight down. Then weight kgs is equal to int equal to weight LBS times 0.45. Weight bs times 0.45. So after this, now print weight in kgs is equal to weight kgs. Okay, now we'll run it. I think there's going to be an error. Not sure. See, I told it it's going to show errors. So why don't they keep this first one into kgs? Then it only shows average. Okay. Now this is weight kgs. This is going to be weight LBS is equal to weight kgs times. So the conversion rate is going to be different. So it's going to be 2.2046. Not that exact, but I'm saying the exact approximate. Okay. The weight in kgs is showing 41. Means this one we need to change. Yes. Yeah, you might come across many errors like this, but never delete your all code without just checking it another time. That's one of the values which I also learned when I see it's coming 90.386001. Now this first let me tell you how did this work. First we told it to take an input from us, which is int input. We gave our weight in kgs. This one we should keep LBS. Nothing happened. We gave our weight in kgs. Okay. And now it's going to convert it into, means we gave the conversion unit weight kgs into 2 point something like that. Then print function we gave, and it easily printed it. So this is all about that. It's all about conversion unit. So now we will learn more about, in the next video we'll learn more about the more about if else statements or etc. Never, I'll just check the topics and will show you. Bye. See you later.